Okay, well it's Tuesday, which means it's trivia night here at Clark Street Beach. All right, so lucky for you, I'm Grace. I'm your host.
My name is Grace Martinez. I am a trivia host. I like to say that I am a game show host. I work for Go For It Entertainment. It is an entertainment company that my brother Gabriel started and owns. He now hosts trivia at, I believe, 25 different pubs in the Chicagoland area. And I host at 2 in Wrigleyville. Tasty prizes. We do 6 rounds of trivia, and every 4th question is a random question that really most people wouldn't know the actual answer to. So the prize, we call them tasty prizes. It's shots of alcohol. Which I get to do in reverb mode, which I think is the only way I should speak, in super sexy reverb. Yeah. And I say it's a chance to win a round of
Tasty prizes.
And all of the bar echoes me by saying,
Oh, tasty.
yeah, it's the most fun for me of the night.